Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. I'm here in Spain. Yes, that's my towel drying because I was at the beach. What's going on in the market and whether you should invest in stock or crypto right now as we speak. Currently today is the 3rd of September 2024. Well, I do believe that most of you are interested in crypto, of course, and I believe that most of my audience are just veering more into crypto more than stocks, but you have to be a bit smart and you have to be a bit flexible in the market and understand that the market currently is going into a sideways movement in stocks, in crypto. And stocks as well, they are going in a sideways movement, but they have more tendency right now to explode all the way towards the upside. Things in the market right now, I couldn't actually flip the camera right now, but I'm currently looking at the market, and things are looking quite promising in terms of Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon. Why did I pick these three? Well, Apple, you know that Apple will release the new iPhone in 10 days, I think, a couple of weeks, I believe. So usually speaking, after Apple announces the new iPhone, sales starting to spike, and then the price have a little bit of fluctuation. So probably we'll find a little dip and then it will continue to grow all the way to a new all-time high. Apple has always been going in an uptrend. Apple has always been performing quite well. Apple has been the leader for the IT sector in the USA stock market for the last few years or so. And I do believe that this will continue. If you want to diversify, and you should actually, you should diversify into more IT related topics or IT related stocks. IT related stocks can be Nvidia, AI, can be Alphabet, AI, can be Tesla, which is automation and battery technology and cars if you're into electric cars. I don't necessarily like electric cars, but I do believe that Tesla as a concept is, it's quite great that they're investing that huge amount of research and development into developing battery technology. That's the whole thing, battery technology. It's not about cars, it's not about the automation, it's just about battery technology. For me, at least, in my own humble understanding. Of course, you can have your own take of it. And of course, also, I do believe that Elon Musk is a very great businessman and he can steer any company into a right direction. He never gives up. He just pushes further and further and further, and then he crushes numbers. So I believe that Tesla can be a big runner in the upcoming few years or so, but you also need to do your own studies because Tesla is a high risk stock. It's not really a low risk stock. If you look deeply and understand what's going on behind Tesla, you'll find that things can be quite sketchy and can go sideways or can even go wrong in a millisecond. So things can get quite wrong here with Tesla, so you need to understand it and you need to do your own studies in Tesla. Back to the point, whether you should invest in crypto or stocks, that's completely up to you. I do believe that diversifying is the key. Diversifying your investment into stocks and crypto equally or proportionately, that's completely up to you. Me personally, I'm a crypto maximalist, but recently I've been trying to balance it out between crypto and stocks. So in the last few months or so, I've been trying to put more in stocks rather than crypto, but it's completely up to you. And again, crypto have the more sideways movement right now, but doesn't mean that's dead. Currently, you know that the current cycle for Bitcoin is just starting, so we can potentially see a new all-time high for BTC in the next few probably weeks or so. So things in general are looking quite promising, but don't necessarily fully trust any one asset 100%. What do I mean by that? You don't put all your eggs in one basket and you don't, go balls deep in one single investment or form of investment. Let's say if you have 100K, let's just say you have 100K and you want to invest that 100K. Of course, that's a smart idea. Rather than just leaving it in the bank depreciating, you need to invest it smart. You can, I would say you can diversify it as much as you can, but you can, for the most part, put it in crypto, put it in stocks, put it in real estate. You need to understand the proportion, the portion of the money you're putting in crypto. That's a high risk investment. Portion you're putting in stock, that's a risk investment. That's not as high as crypto. Crypto is the highest risk of them all. Crypto's volatility is just crazy, and then stock market is quite crazy as well, yeah, but it's not as crazy as crypto. The most stable form of investment, of course, is real estate. If you're buying a house, if you're buying an apartment, if you're buying a villa, you know, depending on your own financial ability, then you can rent it out. You can just wait for a bit and then resell it. That's a relatively low form of risk for your investment. But no risk, no fun, and high risk, high reward. I do believe that currently stock market and crypto can be the way to go. If you want to invest in stocks, you can look at IT stocks. They are making tremendous amount of gains right now, and they're continuing to do so in the next or in the foreseeable future at least. If you want to invest in crypto, of course, you can look for the most stable forms of crypto: Bitcoin, Ethereum. The top 10 crypto, you can study them, because not all top 10 crypto can be quite, some of them are quite sketchy and scams as well. So you need to understand what's going on, and then do your own due diligence and do your own studies, and then invest wisely. That's it for now. Of course, I will be updating you whenever something else happens in the market. Thank you all for your attention, and see you next one. Bye bye.